In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make narrow columns in Notion. If you've ever tried to fit more information onto your Notion database without endless sideways scrolling, narrowing your columns is the way to go. This works best in a table-style database view and is great for compact properties like status, tags, or short labels. Notion does set a minimum width for many property types, but with a simple approach you can tighten things up more than you might think. Start by moving your cursor to the column header you want to shrink. Aim for the right edge of the header where the column ends. As you hover there, a thin vertical divider appears, often with a left-right resize cursor. That's your handle. Click and drag that divider to the left to reduce the width. Move slowly so you can see how much content remains visible. And release when it feels right. If the divider doesn't appear immediately, nudge the cursor along the edge until it does. Keep in mind that this change affects only the current view, so you can customize spacing differently across different views of the same database. Watch your content as you resize. If you compress a column too far, long text may truncate or wrap, which can make the table taller or harder to read. For fields that just show a brief value like a short label or a number, you can safely push the width a bit more. If you go too far, simply drag back to the right, or use undo to revert. Now, if you need the column even narrower than Notion normally allows, here is a handy trick. Temporarily change that column's property type to a checkbox. Checkbox columns can get thinner than most other types. With it switched to checkbox, hover over the right edge of the header again and drag the divider left to your desired narrow width. Once you've got it where you want it, change the property type back to what it was before. The column typically keeps the slimmer width, giving you extra space without sacrificing your original data type. A quick note on safety: property type changes in Notion usually preserve your data, especially when you are switching briefly and switching back. Still, give the column a glance afterward to confirm everything looks correct. If anything seems off, undo will take you back instantly. And that's it. First, use the header divider to resize. If you need more room, use the temporary checkbox trick, adjust and switch it back. Your database will feel cleaner and more efficient in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching.